looks so cool out here, guys. Dylan, yeah? What's up, bro? How we doing? Wheelie boy. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be doing some more jet ski riding today. We're about 9 minutes away from the dock where we're going to take off from. Oh no, that boy got popped. And you guys will see pretty soon here, we're out here in Chicago. We'll be able to see the skyline. The view should look pretty insane. I just got back from Florida a couple of days ago and I like fell in love with jet ski riding, so we're out here again doing it. I gotta be on point here, I can't miss my turn, I always do that. If you guys have never been to Chicago, I definitely recommend coming out here. It's a lot bigger than people think. I still need to get a car wash so bad.
Hello?
Hey, what's going on, Alex? I'm here, man. Nice to meet you.
Well, you got your ID in the car?
Yes, I do in my bag here, yeah.
All right. Come on aboard. Just need you to sign something real quick.
Okay. Alright guys, let's do some more jet ski riding today. This should be super sick. City in the background. We just gotta make our way over here and then we can start doing some ripping once we hit the open water. Oh yeah, boys. We're ripping again. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's real choppy. This looks so cool out here, guys. Yeah, do a shout out.
What's going on, guys? You can only rent this at Water City Rental, downtown Chicago.
Let's go. This is North Ave Beach right here, guys. It's like the most popular beach in the city. That looks insane. The skyline looks beautiful. It's choppier over here.
Right?
Yeah, for sure. Looks like the captain's smoking a dart. What's going on, man? I hope the camera's doing it justice of how insane the water is right now. I feel like I'm in the middle of the goddamn ocean. This is not the most ideal conditions to jet ski for your second time, huh? No, not at all. Yeah, I got my phone. Alright guys, we're on our way back home now. I'm about 10 minutes away from the house. When I get there, I'm gonna have to put together the Stark charger. It finally came in. So hopefully we'll be able to put that together pretty easy, and then we're gonna get the bike all charged, and then we're gonna start doing some dirt bike riding. Alright guys, we just made it back home. Hopefully the audio sounds a little bit better now that I got the mic back on. Let's see what we got in here. Should be 2 cords, I believe. Okay, so there's that cord. Here's the adapter, perfect. I'm gonna get that done real quick. I'm not gonna bore you guys with putting that together. We're gonna go hit the streets and finish out the day riding the Stark. Let's go. It looks so nice seeing the bike on max charge again. Last time I rode to, I got like the nastiest death wobble. Praying that doesn't happen again. I don't know why that even happens in the first place. This thing fully charged is an absolute beast. I'm gonna go back to the house and see if we still have our air compressor there, because these tires are way too low. Little cutscene real quick. Let's fill these tires up. They were real low. It's on like 5 PSI. These things are so clutch. If you don't have one, you definitely got to get one. All right, now we're finally able to go ride. I'm gonna toss on these clear goggles too. Yeah, it feels so much better now. Let's just make our way up here. Don't mind me, don't mind me. All right, we made it to the local trails, guys. It's so much easier to ride this when it's dry. Like, my God. Yes, sir. How have I never seen this? Little grass trail? This is sick. The cars never end in this town, I swear. It's impossible to cross streets. Well, my GoPro battery just died on me, so we might as well grab a pic while we're over here. Ooh, that looks clean. Alright, we just gotta go across this shitty bridge and then we'll check out the trails over here. This is gonna fall any day. Any moment. Oh my god. This would definitely be better as like a winter spot. Gotta dodge all the drains here. That's the sketchy part. You also don't want to go too fast on this too. You'll completely over jump it. Alright, we gotta grab a cheeseburger while we're here. Okay, I don't know, is that one broken or what? Let me go to the other side. What's going on, man? Oh, my bad. Can I order here? I was at the thing, but no one was answering.
Sure.
Cool. Can I just do a cheeseburger with only ketchup, please?
Yeah.
And then can I use Apple Pay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. You too. How we doing?
I know you.
You know me? Yeah, Dylan, yeah? What's up, bro? How we doing?
That's sick.
You checked out the videos before?
Yeah, bro, I've seen them all.
Fire, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm just doing like a day in the life video right now.
You wanna ride it downtown or?
I'm down, yeah. Let me, yeah.
Gas real quick, right?
Oh, you're gonna get gas?
Yeah.
Bet, I'll pull up over there. Nah, this actually looks fire. Yup. Let's go! Wheelie boy. Yes, sir! Alright, let's try to hit one of these BMX jumps, huh? It's a pretty nice jump, actually. Woo! Guess let's hit this middle jump again. Let's go! It cooks! Bro, I thought you didn't see the car. I said, I thought you didn't see the car. I was like, holy shit, this is gonna be bad. I got pretty scared for a second. But then you had a GTA near miss. Let's hit these jumps. It's about 8 o'clock now, guys. The sun's starting to set a little bit. That's always fun to go on. Let's take our usual little shortcut right here. Well, alright guys, we just made it back to the house. It is about 8:30 right now. It's crazy how it's still light out in the summer at 8:30. But I just want to say, guys, if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, please go do that. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers. If you guys like this day in the life type of video, let me know in the comments because I'll definitely make more of these in the future. And thank you guys as always for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.